Alright guys, we're doing another gaming test with the Realme 15 5G. We're playing Call of Duty Mobile. So I'm back on my account and we are going to do multiplayer mode. For the graphics setting, its graphics quality is high, frame rate is maximum. Alright, let's go to multiplayer. Let's select the game. Okay, let's go free for all. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Let's move. What the? The hell? Bye-bye. Okay. This is the respawn area. Let's get out. Let's get out. Hey, you. Let's go to the middle of the level.
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed.
What the? Ooh. I'm outside. Sniper! Sniper! What the hell? Sniper. Gotcha. I don't like the sniper. Sa cool. Uy! Sniper again. I'm going to steal all of my kills. Oh my god. Shucks. Stay inside. That guy is going to win, huh? What the hell? Where's everybody? The sniper. Let's kill the sniper. Let's kill the sniper.
Hostile hunter-killer drone. Hunter-killer drone on standby. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Hostile predator missile inbound.
Sniper! Sniper!
Enemy Shock RC is coming.
I think this is a sniper's hiding place, eh? What the hell? We're racing. What the hell? Behind me. Oh my god, 1 point for the sniper. What the hell? Alright, so that's it guys for our multiplayer game at the Call of Duty Mobile on Realme 15 5G. This is so nice. The gaming is smooth. The speaker, it's louder. I really like it. Also, the GT boost is well balanced. Alright, see you at the next video.